So this right here is a video to show how easy it is to program a part in the Han Jie Machinery Bender program. So we'll just start out with a new file. We're going to keep job parameters. So these right here are the parameters from the job that was previous. So it used 2 stacks, 3-inch and a 2-inch radius. Some information about the clamp length, pressure die length, collet length, wiper length. Pretty much standard stuff. Round part, size of the part. So we could change it, make it 1 1/4 inch part, whether we're running a mandrel or not, where we're loading at, how far it's shifting out, various things like that. And then some information here, whether we're running like a robot loader or by hand. Then we can go into our YBC page, which is pretty standard. So we'll just do a 2-bend part. So this is the distance out front. This is our first bend. This is the distance between the first and the second bend. We'll just put a 20-degree rotation. We'll put in a 35-degree bend. And then this is the distance after the second bend. So we'll just put that in as 5. So this right here, that's our program. So one thing you can see in here is we have flows. So this is what we see between the first and the second bend. So these are the motions it takes. So you could go in, change the position of each one, run them in synchronized motion, run one after another, whatever you wanted to do there. And then from there, we could go into simulation. So this is what this part would look like running. And from there on out, you're pretty well ready to go into auto and run it.